Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, it is all about Play-Doh. I have been getting so many requests for homemade Play-Doh, and this recipe is the bomb tickety. I've been making it for the past 10 years for my homeschool. I love it. It's easy, no cooking involved. The kids can make it by themselves. The best Play-Doh hands down, and because it makes such small batches, you can really afford to make a lot of them. I'm also going to show you how we use Play-Doh in my homeschool, and at the end of this video, I have a contest for everybody. You ready? Let's make some Play-Doh. Okay, so we're starting with really simple ingredients, which I love, love, love. To begin, we're gonna add some all-purpose flour into a large bowl, dump that right on in. And next we're gonna add this stuff right here, cream of tartar. Don't leave this out because this right here is what's gonna make our Play-Doh so soft and squishy, but yet firm. Because we don't want too soft and squishy. We want soft and squishy and firm. Next, we're gonna add some salt, regular table salt. I put it in a blender to get it kind of powdery, and that's the ticket. I love that powdery salt. So yeah, some cheap dollar store salt blended on up. Okay, now we're gonna whisk it around, add a little bit of oil to keep everything nice and moisturized. We don't want it drying out. Next, we're gonna add some really, really hot water. I'm using my little tea kettle here. You can heat it up in the microwave. Just get you some really, really hot water. Okay, now it's time for food coloring. I'm using blue because I've already made so many colors, and now we're doing blue. I add about 15 drops because I like it really nice and bold and stuff. Go ahead and stir that up. If you need more flour, add it, but I didn't need any more. It was perfect just like that. So just use your little spatula to incorporate everything, and when the dough is cool enough to touch, go ahead and take it, kind of squish it around. This will help really get that flour worked in. And while that dough is warm, it'll be kind of sticky, but once it cools down, you're gonna have the perfect texture. Oh my God, I can't stop touching this Play-Doh because it's like the perfect texture ever. And now you are ready to play. Go ahead and roll it out. It doesn't stick. Oh, it's luscious, luscious, luscious. Perfect for cookie cutters. Yeah, we use a lot of cookie cutters, okay? And it also makes the perfect little snakes because, come on, you gotta make some snakes with Play-Doh, right? So this Play-Doh makes the perfect little snakes. It rolls up beautifully. It doesn't crack. Y'all, make it because it's so cheap. So go ahead and mix those colors up, make some food, play restaurant. I love playing restaurant with my boys, and just really have fun with it. Okay, now to store this Play-Doh, I like to place it in these little small snack bags because it makes such small little batches like this. It fits perfectly inside these little snack bags. Go ahead and just seal them on up like that. And also, you guys, if you go to my blog, the link is below. I have put a whole bunch of fun little resources, things you can do with Play-Doh, lots of different activities that you can use with Play-Doh that we really, really like. Okay, they're nice and sealed up and so cute. Okay, once I have them all sealed up like this, I like to go ahead and place them in a Tupperware container just to make sure they're double sealed up because my boys don't be closing these bags up. They're not gonna do that. But yeah, this right here, this they can do. All right, so now I want to talk to you guys about ways that we like to use Play-Doh in my homeschool room. We have a few favorite activities, starting with these learning mats. I love these learning mats when it comes to retaining those spelling words because for Ethan, this right here is like a surefire way to get him to remember how to spell words. When he can build it and trace it, it works like a charm. Also for like word problems, math word problems, bringing them to life using Play-Doh is like, oh, it's so perfect. It's a lifesaver. Love it. And I also like to use Play-Doh for like task cards, any kind of task cards, whether it's measuring, doing fractions, telling time. Anytime that I can use a task card and Play-Doh, I do it because hands-on stuff for my kids, I have got to do it the hands-on way. Little worksheets, they don't work for my boys, honey. And these little smash mats are perfect to test your kids' knowledge on stuff. They just smash the right answer. Love it, you guys. Love it so much. And of course, just have fun. Just have fun with it and make a mess. And animals love this Play-Doh because it's nice and salty. So be sure to keep an eye on them. It's nothing toxic, but still, you don't want them eating this salty Play-Doh. Okay, so now I want to talk about the giveaway. I know a lot of you guys are at home with your kids during this whole quarantine time. So I want to encourage you to create this Play-Doh and I want to see what you make, okay? Tag me, Divas Can Cook on Instagram, and I'm going to be giving away a ton of $25 Amazon gift cards to all of you creative kids and parents out there. I want to see it, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.